guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, we will going to unbox a new PR package sent by the Thedupecosmetics. Please follow them on their Instagram account. And so I received this PR package yesterday and I don't still even know kung ano naman ang box. Yeah. So if you are new here to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to click the notification bell and subscribe button. So, and also don't forget to follow me on my Instagram account and so Facebook social media account. So it's Facebook, Instagram, there's a different Facebook, there is different. So this naman sila ako nakapag-upload ng videos. Kaya ngayon mag-unbox tayo. I will go into recreate James Charles makeup look. Short tutorial only. So yeah, let's jump out to the video. I'm so sorry for my audio because I'm just using my earphone and I don't have soundproof, say noise reduction microphone. So like that. So I'm so sorry for poor audio quality. So yeah, now we were going to unbox this PR package. So you know, hindi pa talaga tinatap ang mga values. May value. Yeah, this is about it has a bubble wrap. So here, thank you so much to Thedupecosmetics. So yeah, so we're going to review this and try this. Okay, okay, where's it going? And here. So I'm trying to do this. I just grabbed the thank you so much to Thedupecosmetics. So here, hello Thedupecosmetics.com. So hi Darius, welcome to the team. Hope you enjoy the lashes as much as we enjoy during this don't know. Tell us what you think, okay? So they sent me, they have the stickers.
I don't want to ruin this.
So yeah, here's, oh my god, they have the acrylic. They sent me the whole style. Oh my god, I like this. Yeah. And also eye cream just for it. So this is, I think, the lash glue. So yeah, oh my god, this is amazing. I love this. So yeah, let's try this. Okay, so our PR package for today's video is the luxury lashes from the Thedupecosmetics. Thank you so much to the Thedupecosmetics for sending the different style of the lashes. So we will try to open. Ito pwede to pang glam. So yeah, pwede to pang glam. This one pang natural look. So pang natural look. And this is very dramatic. Yes, for girl queens like that. And also like this one, so I will try this one. Try ko to. Ang ganda ng packaging nila. I like the packaging. It's deep, matibay. So yeah, diba? Good job, girl. So ito. So, para siyang LillyLashes. So, ginamit na siya ni Mama Ann Coots at ng sikat na vlogger abroad, international. Nakasama nila James Charles. I will flash it. So, yeah. hair. Oh. So, though it's synthetic, pero para siyang human hair. Kaya, very good siya. So, gagamitin natin. And also, ito, pangdikit. Ang kulod na yung So, disclaimer lang na disinfectant. So, yes, we will try this. So, yung price ng luxury lashes, sulit naman ay by the Thedupecosmetics. Sulit naman siya sa budget nyo. Hindi kayo luging-lugi. So, yung 300 pesos, less busy ko sa Instagram na. Ganun, 300 pesos naman. So, meron ka ng mga dramatic na eyelashes, pang glam. So, saan ka pa, di ba? So, check out their Instagram account and shop now. Start na nga po tayo. Igugulo ko muna po yung brows. Glow. Last year, mag-1 year na nang natutunan ko kung paano lagay ng glue sa kilay. Tatakpan ko na yung kilay ko. Tapa. I'm not applying foundation. Covering eyebrows. So guys, kaya ngayon ako nakapag-upload kasi busy na rin sa school. Kaya, ganun. I applying concealer using this BYS. Apply BB cream from LillyLashes. Yeah. I use it as my concealer. Guys, I am now done with my overall look, and for now we will going to try this lashes from the Thedupecosmetics. So yes. And of course we will going to use this as our adhesive to our I'm going to use my channel. finished look. Hope you like it. This was inspired by Change House. So thank you so much, Thedupecosmetics, for sending these beautiful false eye. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Okay, thank you.